is the barn. Mostly just a roof is all you need in Thailand. And the straw. And doggy. Hey doggy. Little Pfizer. Oh, you little Pfizer. Big Pfizer. Swimming. Cows. Hey buddy. There you go, buddy. Chicken. Chicken. Hey, buddies. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing, huh? A big ear, huh? Why can't you get your own straw? It's right here, buddy. Buddies. Chicken cage, fishing pond, anthill. Now this is an anthill. This is one big anthill, and then there's one over here. That looks like an anthill.